Welcome back to this channel. This is another question I want us to look into together. Solution. There is a condition here for us, which is find x and y using Cramer's rule. So what is Cramer's rule? That is where the question is. If I solve this given two expression using substitution method, the examiner may not mark it for me. I may even get the correct answer, but he may not mark it for me because I did not use the required or the expected method. We are going to turn this given expression and we are going to turn it to a matrix. Just read the arrangement like this. This is 2, this is 4. Write it out. 2 and 4. The next thing is this is 3, this is -1. So you have 3, -1, then into this x, y is equals to turn this also 13 and 5. So that is just the rearrangement of, that's just how you are going to, that is just how you are going to do the rearrangement. All right, from this place, this is like your A, call this your B and call this your C, and this B is what you are now looking for. It's what we don't know, which is our variable. Now look at it very well. Cramer's rule tell us that for us to find x will be determinant of x divided by determinant. You will see what I mean now. Our y will be determinant of y divided by determinant. What is d of x? What is d? What is d of y? What is d? Are you with me? Just follow through. This ordinary d simply means you are going to find determinant of the expression that you are given directly. Are you with me? That you form directly from your given equation, which is this. So we have 2, 4, 3 minus 1 is equals to, find the determinant. You are going to have, that is 2 into -1, then minus 3 into 4, which is equals to -2, then negative 3 times 4, 12, which is equals to -14. Are you with me? So therefore our d is equals to -14. Now d of x, it simply means you are going to, this value that is having x, you know this is 2 and 4, you are going to erase it, bring this equal sign, the one that it equals to, bring it to this place. That is what we mean there. So we have 13, then 5. So you are now going to write this 3 and -1, which is equals to, you are finding the determinant. 13 multiplied by this is going to give you 13 into -1, then minus 3 into 5, which is equals to, this will give us -13, then minus 15, which is equals to -28. Let's check for the y too. So x will remain. The column for y is what we are going to replace now. So we have 2 and 4. Then this, you are going to replace this, we bring it here. So we have 13 and 5, which is equals to, this multiplied by this, we have 2 into 5 minus 13 into 4, which is equals to, times 5, that is 10 minus, that is minus 52, which gives us minus 42. Are you with me? So from this place, let's see what we are going to have. So therefore x is equals to dx divided by d is equals to, what is our d of x? That is minus 28 divided by minus 14, which is our d that we get here. So is equals to, negative cancel negative, this divided by this, that is 2. Then our y is equals to d of y divided by d is equals to, that is -42 divided by -14. This cancel this. That is going to give us positive 3. So therefore our x is equals to 2, our y is equals to 3. The very best thing you can also do for yourself whenever you arrive at your final answer is to substitute this back, which is to check maybe you get your final answer. This 4 into x, 4 multiplied by 2, that's going to give you 8. Then 8 minus 3, that's going to give you 5. That means you are correct. You can also substitute it in the first equation, you will still get the same answer. Once it equals to this particular given answer here, you are correct. So that is your final answer. Thank you very much.